Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can stop getting the Facebook games request from your friends on Facebook. For this you have to go to settings. In settings you can easily find WhatsApp apps and websites. If you scroll down you can easily find apps and websites in the permission region. After clicking on apps and permission, you will find the games which are on Facebook. Now you can change the settings of apps and websites and games which are on Facebook and your preferences. As you can see in the video, if you want to turn off the notification for the games requests from your friends, then you can click on turn off and the notification for the game requests from your friends will be turned off, and so that's why you will not get any kind of Facebook games requests from your friends. As you can see in the video, as I have turned off the game and app notification, it will not send me any games requests from my friends on Facebook. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.